Some business to take care of here first, however. Ball's in the air, and we are underway. And their first three-pointer of the game, of which no doubt there will be many. Treyas into the corner, three on the way. That is good.
Good news, somebody I was looking out for that just checked in, David Jackson. We did not see him in the other window, and on cue, there he is.
He played in December, averaged 11 points, 2.5 rebounds, 3 assists per game. And a little putback by Recuerda Johnson. He's Andrew Hunt. My name is Craig Fada. Bringing this to you on FanDuel TV in the USA. Oh, beautiful spin move by Eduardo Lugo. Oh, beautiful spin, turnaround jump shot. Yeah, no question. Corvalon could start for a few teams. Oh, my goodness. That time it's Eduardo Lugo, and the lead back to 11. My good friend Victor Mansoure would no doubt be the authority on this, being that he's from Brazil. But I think Cal beautiful bounce pass. Very un-Franca-like, 14 of 36 overall, 6 of 18 from the arc. Here comes Luzada on the kick out. Jackson for three. Splash! David Jackson. The mother-in-law of Lucas Diaz, so our thoughts are with him and his family. Beautiful pass down to Recuerda Johnson. He had his shot blocked by David Jackson. Daryl Jones over to Eduardo Lugo, back to Daryl Jones. Daryl on the attack, off the glass and in. Oh, tough drive by Didi Luzada along the baseline. Nathan Fernandez kind of threw that shoulder. Oh, pretty move there by Eduardo Lugo. Luzada steps back for the tie. He's got it! Oh, and a tough three-point shot. Barely caught front iron. And that leads to a dunk at the other end by Lucas Diaz. Treyas was the one that initiated the contact with the off arm. Now stolen away with the shot clock winding down. 2-on-1, Luzada tried the alley-oop. Treyas got a hand on it. Luzada's three misses. Bounces around, and another offensive rebound. Jackson grabs that one. Now here's Diaz, the spin move off the glass and in. And again, under control at the other end, Didi Luzada. And partner, I think Leones just ran out of steam on this one. They played a heck of a game through 3.5 quarters, but Franca just too much, too strong, too experienced.